Hello. Yeah, you did what? You washed the plane? They didn't wash it with brushes, did they? They did? I just freaking polished it. Are you freaking kidding me? Ugh! All right, I'm gonna get an earful for this one, guys. So here's a clip of perfectly corrected aircraft paint. You can see there's no scratches, no nothing. So using one of these is basically like taking it through the car wash that scratches up your paint. These scratch the paint. There's no argument about it. It's a fact. This is what I think about your little witch's broom, okay? All right, so people ask me, Brett, why does it matter that my paint is scratched? Well, do you want it to look like a jalopy, number one? Number two, it creates more surface area for the contaminants to stick on your aircraft that deteriorate your paint, making it look shiny, and then you're stuck having to call me to fix it. So yeah, don't use a brush, please. Okay, so now we're gonna do the 50-50 test. The brush versus the microfiber towel, right? A little soap. We're gonna brush it. You know, because this is really necessary. And this side, we're gonna clean with the microfiber. There you have it.
Okay, so we can see here in these clips, I just wanted to clarify, I was brushing up and down and we're getting scratches sideways. I don't understand why. I'll look more into it. Maybe it's an older brush and the way the bristles laid, or when it flipped out, when the bristles flipped over. I don't know. So if any of you guys know why, definitely let me know. I'll do some more testing and try to get some better lighting so we can see the effects much better in the future. But you can see a little bit of scratching just from the quick brushing that we did. So there you have it. And make sure you follow us and tell your friends about Shiny Jets. And thanks for watching.